Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can increase or decrease the text size in Zangi Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Zangi Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can install it from the Play Store. Go ahead and open it, and as soon as you open it, you will be headed to this page, which is the message page. Now you need to click on the gear icon or the setting icon on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. After you do so, you can scroll a bit down and find text size. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can see that there are 4 variations of text size, so you can choose whichever you want. As soon as you click on it, the text size will be changed immediately. You can find this function over chats over here as well, so click on chats and you can see the text size. As soon as you click on it, you can choose the text size. Go ahead and click on it and your text size will automatically be changed. I hope this video about how you can change or how you can increase or decrease the text size on Zangi Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.